If you want to go ahead and edit out photos, then you can simply go to ILoveIMG.com, and here you can actually find a web photo editor. So to access it, you can go to photo editor right here, or you can go to photo editor on the top, or go to more tools and then click on photo editor right here. So now all you need to do is click on select image and then go ahead and select out the image that you want to edit. Let's say for example, I'm going to select this and click on open, and you can see that it opens up the editor. Over here on the right hand side, now you got the zoom in and out option. You can access the layer option from over here. You can access out the history. There's the undo and redo button right here, the save as format and the save button. And over here on the top, there are the various options to go ahead and edit out your photo, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and choose your filters, work around with resize, crop, transform, draw, text, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and add in your text, go ahead and apply. You can go ahead and add in, let's say for example, corners right here. You can go ahead and add in frames right here and so forth, and edit it out as you please. So that is basically the interface of photo editor in ILoveIMG, and you can go ahead and then utilize it to go ahead and make quick edits out to the photo as you want right here, and quickly go ahead and save it out as you want right here, just like this as well. And then you get an edited photo right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.